Hello guys. In this video, all right, I'll be sharing with you, okay, how you can successfully add your warehouse address to your 1688. All right. Meanwhile, you need to have your 1688. All right. So this is my 1688. Are you seeing it? It's already be um, uh, installed and register. If you haven't watched how to register and register your 1688, there's the first video there. Go and watch it. All right. So after you have successfully add your warehouse address to your 1688, whenever you purchase, buy anything on 1688, this is going to automatically notify the supplier that this is the place that your supplier is going to take it to in China. So whenever your warehouse address, whenever your shipping company receive those items your suppliers brought to them, they are going to notify you. Okay, this shipping company that I'm working with. All right, they are going to notify you on or WhatsApp or text or normal text message. All right, they are going to notify you that they have received your products or your goods, whatever you buy. So they are going to receive it. So I want to show you the new method, all right, that you are going to add that your warehouse address now to your 1688. Okay, if you are just coming across my YouTube channel for the very first time, this is the face of the legend importer. My name is Clenty. All right, so do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'll be dropping a lot of new strategies on how you can start buying and register your 1688 without you get banned, and also how you can buy from Bangladesh and Dubai. Okay, I'll be dropping those videos on how you can start your phone business. I'll be dropping those updates. Okay, there are lots that I'll be putting on this YouTube channel. Do well to subscribe, share, give this video a thumbs up. Anything you have to say, if you have any question, you can you are free, all right, to ask me any question you have. All right, any video you want me to work on, no problem, I'm going to work on it. Just ask me anything you want. Okay, and so without talking much, let's get straight to the video on how you can add your warehouse address to your 1688 right now. So let's dive in, guys. So guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you, okay, how to add your warehouse address to your 1688. The reason why you are going to be needing your warehouse address whenever you purchase anything from 1688, all right, your supplier is going to take that your items or your product you purchase from 1688 straight to your warehouse in China, and that your warehouse are going to notify you on your WhatsApp or on message, okay, that they have received your goods. Are you getting it? See, they have received your goods and is ready to ship. You can choose either for air shipping or sea shipping, but for this purpose now, I want to show you how to add your warehouse address, be it sea shipping, be it air shipping, be it HK shipping. You can use this method that I'm about to show you. This is a new method, all right? So stay close to the video as I will go straight ahead. So right now, you're going to be clicking this place that says me. You are going to tap that place. When you tap that place, okay, you are going to be seeing, let's go ahead and tap it. All right, so you are going to be seeing this option that says this settings icon. Are you getting it? So when you see that icon, you are going to tap on that icon. Okay, when you tap it, it's going to bring you to this particular place which says you are going to be seeing address management. This place that says address management, you click it. All right, when you click it, so you wait for it to load. Just wait for it to load. All right, so when you see it, are you seeing it? So you're going to be seeing add a new receive address. So this means they are the shipping company in China that are going to be receiving your package whenever you purchase anything from 1688. This is a tutorial video, so I'm just putting in this is a address that I use which is Fish Logistic Company. They are very fast. Okay, but I'm going to be sharing the details with you guys. Okay, so just this is a tutorial how to add it. It's very simple. Okay, just stay close. This is where you are going to be clicking new receiver address. You click it, so you're going to wait for it, please. When you wait for it, all right, I've already copied it. Do you know what copy? When you copy any message, are you seeing they say this place? They say paste the address here and name. Phone number address will be recognized automatically. Test parsing is not supported for address outside China. Please look. So I'm gonna paste my address here automatically. So everything is going to save automatically. Are you getting it? So I just paste it now. Okay, when I paste it, I'm going to tap save. Are you seeing it? Save. Press on save. Okay, tap on save. Sorry, if you see that method not work, you are going to tap add auto filling. Are you getting it? Auto filling. Are you seeing it? You are going to tap the auto filling. Okay, when you tap the auto filling, this is place for auto filling. When you tap it, are you seeing it? The name of the logistic company just appeared. They say fish. Let me scroll up. Are you seeing it? Everything has saved automatically. So if you want to make it your default, that is, you can be, although you can be switching, okay? Don't worry, that is a little thing. When you want to make your purchase, when you want to buy anything, normally I promise, okay, for your first and your second and your third shipment, I will guide you through until your hand is strong. It's very simple. With me, everything don't pro, everything is going to be easy. So you click this save as default address. When you click it, you are going to click save. Are you seeing it? It save automatically. Your address is saved. If you still have other one to put, you click here again and add, but we are not adding anyone. Okay, it's saved. Okay, so you press this place that says those arrow, or you can come to your phone place that says back. You go straight to the menu back. Okay, congratulations, you have had it. Are you seeing it? So if we should press the place again, had the management, that place had it. You press it. You're going to be seeing your address. Congratulations, that is it. So that is how to add your warehouse address. Okay, any warehouse address. So that is how to add it. Okay, so this is other method that I want to share. Please listen carefully. When you have purchased anything from any supplier here on 1688, if you don't want to change those, you don't want to change that address, like you are lazy sometimes. When you chat with any of your supplier, okay, when you chat with any of your supplier, just copy that address, okay, and send it to you. Say, this is the address you are sending this thing to. They will do as you said. Are you getting it? So thank you for watching. So this is how to add your warehouse address. That's easy. Okay, thank you. You can see that is how to add or warehouse address to your 1688 successfully without no complication, without you getting bound on 1688. All right, so that is how to add your warehouse. The reason why you are going to be you need this warehouse whenever you buy anything. All right, the supplier is going to know that you are going to he or she is going to be taking your this thing, your package or your goods, anything you purchase from the supplier is going to be taking it straight to your warehouse, to your warehouse in China. Okay, so if you found value in this video, please guys don't forget to share. All right, share this video to as much as you can. All right, share this video, because there are a lot of people on this platform, all right, looking for this kind of video. All right, and thank you so much, because whenever you put a thumbs up in this video, is going to help the algorithm know that yes, this video is a great and is going to help a lot of people as well to be notified that there's this kind of video. All right, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment anything any question, anything you don't understand, and any video you want me to work on. All right, please kindly ask me in the comment section below. I'm going to be answering every of your questions, guys. Trust me, I'm going to be answering every of your questions. Ask me the questions. I'm always here to guide you through. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Okay, stay tuned because I'll be dropping another hot video. All right, how you can add your card, your bank card, and start buying. All right, that is the other video that I'll be dropping next. All right.